Give the front of your Chevrolet Silverado an aggressive new appearance with Rough Country's front LED bumper. This easy-to-install upgrade gives your truck an improved look and better protection that offer impressive off-road illumination. Rough Country's front LED bumper is made of a durable all-steel construction. Each bumper features 4 Rough Country 2-inch LED cubes and a 20-inch LED light bar that offer over 15,000 lumens of combined lighting power. Each bumper also includes sensor relocators to allow you to retain the vehicle's anti-collision system. This incredible front bumper system is powder-coated flat black and is ready to withstand the elements for a long lifespan of good looks. Rough Country's front LED bumper is also easy to install with no cutting or drilling required. Complete the look with Rough Country's rear LED bumper for a total transformation of your truck. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.